Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you one of the way how you can get quick calls for the job opportunities. Many of the people who are sending me the messages, whether it's on Instagram or they are on LinkedIn, they are telling the same thing that they are not getting calls. So in this particular video, I'll be telling you the ways how you can increase your calls for the job opportunities. So we will also share one of the ATS friendly resume template with you, but we have modified this particular template and we have included the projects also in that. So projects are very important. If you will not include the projects in your resume template, then what would happen is it would become difficult for the recruiter, or it would become difficult for the screening things to shortlist your CV and to move it forward. So projects are very important because recently what happened is one of my subscriber, she included projects related to banking domain, finance domain. And when I say you have to include this particular things, that doesn't mean you have to write a paragraph for that. Okay. You have to highlight this particular things just in a form of summary, right? So maybe a summary can be worked on loan banking application XXX, one or two lines. That's it. You don't have to describe in detail about your application or the functionality, which or what is the flow, what is the behavior of that particular application. That is not at all required. Okay. This kind of things would make your resume lengthy and it would not get shortlisted for the calls. So what you have to do is you have to include 3 to 4 projects in your resume. Now you might be wondering, I am from a non-IT background. I haven't worked on such kind of projects. Can this template be useful for me? Yes, the answer is yes, it will be useful. The projects have been included and you can study for those particular projects and you can give the answers in an interview. That is one of the thing. The second thing is if you are from the manual testing or let's say functional testing, right? You are just doing functional testing. Would this resume template be useful for you? The answer is yes, it will be useful, right? Whether you are doing functional testing, whether you are doing automation testing, it is one and the same. So the kind of the project that has the kind of the template that has been created, it includes most of the things such that you get the calls. What is the length of the resume template? So the length of the resume template we have kept over here is a single page, right? And we have highlighted few of the things in bold. So the reason behind highlighting the things in bold is to assist you or to assist the interviewer also to let them know that these are the capabilities of the candidate. So accordingly, there are chances that you would get shortlisted. Okay. So this is an ATS friendly resume template. I'll be putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. And not only that, there are certain things that we have added over here with respect to the current job market. So let me tell you those things as well, which are the different things that have been added. So definitely one of the plus point is the project itself. Okay. The multiple projects have been added, 4 to 5 projects based on your knowledge, based on your capabilities that you can answer in an interview. You can take 1 or 2 lines of that project and you can add them. If you're comfortable with all the different projects, you can use them as well. Okay. The second thing that we have added over here is the skills. Okay. Many people, they will not write the skills in their resume. Okay. They have written the kind of things like tech stack. For example, if you write the tech stack or technical skills, it's very important. The more you will add the skills, the more are the chances. Now here, I don't mean to say that you have to add the skills for which you don't have knowledge. Okay, don't do those kind of things. But you have to update yourself, you have to upgrade yourself and try to add those kind of skills which are useful, which you should be able to answer in an interview, right? That kind of thing. Okay, then one thing that we have removed from the resume is the photo, right? The pic that is not required in the resume. So we have removed it with respect to the latest ATS friendly things. That is not required. So we have removed it unnecessarily. It was taking some of the space. So we have removed the photos. And because of that, what is happening is the resume length is coming short to 1 page itself. Within the 1 page, you will get everything. You need to add more about certifications, okay, about your contribution. Now, how to add this contribution? So contribution is something wherein you have included your skill set in the implementation way, right? Everyone will tell, I'm doing functional testing, I'm doing automation testing, but how you are doing it differently from the other people in the market, how you are doing it in a different manner from the other people from the market, what makes you stand different from the other people in the market. So that's where is very important. So we have added few of the lines, for example, like increased the automation coverage by X%, or found X% of bugs in last 6 months. So those kind of things you can add. Okay, this kind of data oriented things, statistics would assist you in getting your resume shortlisted. So this is a very true success story that I'll be uploading in the channel. It will be coming up in the next week or maybe in this week. So I'll be checking with my team for that. But basically, the person was not getting calls, any calls in the IT industry for the job of the software testing only. And yes, this resume template is for experienced people. For freshers, already the link has been uploaded in the top mid. You can search on the top mid and you'll get the ATS friendly resume template for the freshers. This is for the experienced people. Okay, so that particular candidate was not getting any calls since 3 to 4 months. But as soon as they updated these particular things, she started getting calls and she got shortlisted as well in one of the MNC company, and she'll be getting 150% of hike. So that's a big hike in today's market scenario, where in 2025, yes, the job market has opened, but still the hikes are not as you were getting during the COVID time, during the pandemic time, right? So those are the advantages of having this particular resume template. Okay, and a very important thing that you have to add in your resume. So let me share those things also. Okay. So apart from this particular things, the Git profile, right? The LinkedIn profile, those particular things you need to add. Okay, the contact details. So contact details, name, get linked, everything is present in the header itself. So you can use the same template. Okay, you can make some changes in the font of the template if you need, but if you don't need to as such make changes, it is readable in one page itself. The entire content you would be able to see. Okay, so that's how you have to create the resume. Let me showcase the template to you so that it becomes easier for you to understand what all things we have added. So for example, uh, this is the ATS friendly resume template. Okay, looks like the screen is not visible. So let me reshare it again. See, for example, this is the template, how it would look like. So you will get expertise, have knowledge, skills, testing types, collaboration, right? What all collaboration you have done, how you are collaborating with the development teams for anything, troubleshooting, for maybe root cause analysis, projects. Okay, so these all projects are there. So you can see the length of the resume. It is 1 page only, right? Despite adding such a detailed kind of coverage in the resume, it is of 1 page only. So that's what it would become a good resume for the candidate to get shortlisted, right? So that's it for this video. I wanted to share this ATS friendly resume template with you such that it becomes easier for you to get shortlisted, because many of the people are coming and they are emailing me, they are sending the DMs that their resume is not getting shortlisted. So what we have done is we have added the projects and we have modified the ATS friendly resume template, which you can avail this, right? So I'll be putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video, so you can avail it, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.